Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power and connection so the device is stable. Plug a known good USB cable into a powered port, then switch the V8 into PC or USB mode. Install or update the official driver, then set the sample rate and buffer to 48K Hz and 256,512 samples. Disable exclusive mode in Windows Sound Properties so apps cannot steal the device. Once done, restart the computer and reopen your DAW or streaming software. Now you focus on signal flow and levels so your audio stays clean. Route the microphone and instrument inputs to the correct channels in the V8 control panel or app, then set gain knobs to unity and increase only if the meter shows low signal. Engage low cut or pad if the source is booming or clipping. Enable direct monitoring to avoid latency and balance the headphone mix using the V8 monitor controls. Make sure each channel's mute and solo states match your intended mix. Finish by validating sound and saving your setup so it's repeatable. Record a short test clip while speaking and playing an instrument, then inspect levels. Aim for peaks near -6 dB to preserve headroom. Apply gentle EQ and compression if needed and save the preset in the V8 app. Update firmware if the vendor provides one. If you still have issues, power cycle the unit, swap USB ports or cables, and reinstall drivers. This resolves most connection or driver conflicts quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.